Welcome. In this video, we are going to walk you through the process of adding your smart devices to the MyGear section of the GearBrain. The MyGear section is designed to help you manage your smart devices by allowing you to store vital product information like owner's manuals, setup guides, and warranty information for free. The first step, you need to make sure you are signed in. The MyGear section is for registered users only. Just click on the user menu in the top right corner of the screen. If you're not logged in, it will say guest. Once you're logged in and go to the MyGear box and select, you'll come to a page with 6 tabs. There's the My Smart Stuff, My Interests, My Reviews, My FAQs, My Resources, and Settings. To add your smart devices, make sure you are on the My Smart Stuff page, then click the symbol next to Devices. It will take you to a page which will assist you in finding your smart devices to add to your MyGear. You can find your devices by inputting brand name, device ID number, the device name, the UPC code, or the model number. For this example, we're going to use the device field, and we're going to type in UA19 since we're looking for UA19 bulbs. To locate your device, click on it and it will appear at the top in the device field. The next step is to label your device. We recommend using a name which is easy for you to recognize when looking for the product. For example, we're going to call these bedroom lights. Underneath the label section, you will see a serial number field. This field can help you distinguish between multiple devices that might be of the same type. It could be also good for when looking for warranty information. You can identify the product by their serial number. The last step is to select the location for your device. From the drop-down menu, you will find a wide selection of rooms in your home to choose from. Since our light's in the bedroom, we're going to select bedroom. Now click Add button, and your device will appear in the MyGear section. From here, you will have easy access to all vital product information and never have to worry about saving an owner's manual, product guide, or warranty information. It's all here in your personal MyGear. If at any time you would like to provide feedback on the GearBrain, like providing a suggestion or on any new enhanced functionality or have a request for a specific device, please click on the feedback button. This form is context sensitive to the page you're reviewing. As you can see, we populated the page you are on in the reference field. If your feedback applies to the entire domain or a specific device or particular tab, you can change this reference field. Thanks and enjoy the GearBrain. It's your source for simplifying smart devices.